Home and design remodel shows always are the best. They have the best traffic, the most amount of people coming through, get the most opportunity to sell your product. About 16 years ago, it was one of the first shows that Ray did with the company. He kind of started here, came in with one product, sold it, and kind of built it up from there.
How small or big was your business when you first started at the show?
Microscopic. It was out of a garage when we first started with you guys. Nowadays, we're over a $100 million company. We'll have 45 showrooms by the end of the year.
The home show's been great. We've done this year after year. We go to Palm Beach, Broward, Miami. We use the show a lot for branding. There's a lot of foot traffic. A lot of families come in and out.
It's given us the opportunity to network with some other vendors here and then speak with some interesting clients and set up some good business.
This show was particularly interesting because we got a lot of developers, a lot of people from the islands that have large properties like Costa Rica, Puerto Rico, and so yeah, a lot of investors from the show.
We made great contacts with local vendors, people that are related to our industry, and we got some great leads from visitors attending the home show.
It's just a really well-marketed show. A lot of these things are really not as well put together. There's a lot of promoters that just don't go the extra mile that you guys do in order to make it a success.